In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a position on Robinhood using the website. If you're looking to sell a stock, option, or cryptocurrency that you already own, this guide will walk you step by step through the entire process, making sure you feel confident and comfortable with each action along the way. Let's get started by logging into your Robinhood account on the official website. You'll need to enter your credentials, so make sure you have your username and password handy. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, head over to your portfolio, which displays a summary of all the assets you currently own. Take a moment to look over your holdings and locate the specific position you'd like to close. This could be a stock, an option contract, or even a cryptocurrency, whatever you're ready to sell. Once you've found the asset you want to sell, click on it. This will bring up the details page, where you can see important information such as your average cost, total return, and other relevant statistics about that particular investment. It's always a good idea to review these details so you know exactly what you're selling and why you're making this decision. Next, you'll see an option labeled Trade. Go ahead and click on Trade. If it's a stock or option that you're selling, choose Sell from the drop-down menu. For cryptocurrencies, simply click Sell as well. This action will bring up the order entry window, which is where you'll specify what portion of your position you'd like to sell. At this point, enter the number of shares or contracts you wish to sell. For cryptocurrencies, enter the specific amount you want to liquidate. If you only want to sell a portion, you can do that here. Just specify the amount that makes sense for your goals. Double check that you've entered the correct numbers, as errors here can result in unintended trades. Robinhood will now let you review the order. Make sure to carefully check this summary. Here, you'll see how much you're selling, the estimated value you'll receive, and any applicable fees. If everything looks good and you're comfortable with what you see, click on Review to move forward. Finally, when you're ready to complete the transaction, go ahead and click Sell. This will close your position, and the funds from your sale will be processed according to Robinhood's timelines, usually showing up in your buying power soon after. And that's it. You've successfully closed the position on Robinhood. Make sure to monitor your account for confirmation of the sale, and remember to review your investment strategy regularly as markets and circumstances change. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.